Hey, what's up, folks? So, I got the OEM backrest installed on my SM650, and we'll look at the installation process in this video and some of the other backrest options that I considered. Now, personally, I would prefer the solo seat look, something like this without all the screws, like we get in the classic models. But when you have these little enthusiasts at home who want to piggyback all the time and ride pillion with you, you make adjustments. So here I am at the Royal Enfield Platinum Auto Pune to get this done. But first, let's look at some of the other options I considered. So this one is a sissy bar. It looks good, probably looks better on a Harley. I'm not a big fan of sissy bars, so I considered it briefly, but then dropped it. This is available on Bikeology, the same website where I ordered the Rhinos. Good website, I'll leave the link. Good customer experience as well, so do check it out, some of the products that they have. The second option that I thought of and did a lot of back and forth with, it's detachable, so they put the mounts on those side bolts, and you can remove them and have them fitted anytime you want. Comes with a luggage rack as well at the back. Very practical, but somehow just didn't like the design of this one. It was too basic. And then finally, I decided to go with the OEM backrest. This one comes in two parts. First, obviously, is this metal mount, and then you have the backrest itself, the cushion. So both put together, this comes to exactly 5,000 rupees. I really like the design of this one. It's all metal, no piping, and just looks and feels sturdy. I held it in my hands. It is pretty heavy. It just looks good overall, a little stylish. I think that's what would suit the Super Meteor. And there was another Astral variant same day that got this backrest installed before mine. So I got a little preview, of how it would look once this is fitted.
नहीं मेरा वो ब्लू वाला बहुत गैप लग रहा है ना इधर
अच्छा है कि अपन बैठने को जगह मिल जाएगी।
हाँ
ये भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा लग रहा है।
अच्छा है भी हाँ
थोड़ा कम हो गया तो दो ही बराबर बनाओ।
Yeah, so you can see there's a good amount of gap all around the pillion seat. Good to grab onto, and might look a little weird initially. Will take some time getting used to, maybe. In the Interstellar variant though, because it comes with the touring seats factory fitted like you can see here, the pillion area is wide and it kind of blends very well with the backrest mount, but not in the Astral variant. Okay, so let's get back to our blue and see what's happening here. All right, very important. We had to redo this, but here we get two settings for the length, and you can choose as per your preference. I think they're around 2 inches apart from each other. The front setting is when you want maximum space, so the backrest will go farther and will give some wiggle room to the pillion. The second setting is for a snug fit, meaning lesser space between your back and the pillion backrest. An obvious use case for this. But yeah, I chose the setting that gives more space, because why not? I'll let you get a feel of the workshop acoustics for a while, but don't miss the last 30 seconds of the video to get a glimpse of how the backrest looks in motion.
भी है क्या?
इसका सीट नहीं है, बैकरेस्ट है।
हो गई ना। महाबलेश्वर ले गया, मुंबई ले गया 2 बार,
नंबर प्लेट सुपर
वीडियो बनाया।
And we're done. The backrest is installed, and the SM is just posing in its glory. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about how this backrest looks. I like it. I like that it has curves, and it just feels sturdy, and it's just all metal. The gap, yeah, it does look a little weird. Looks like a skeleton with a lot of flesh to be fitted in between, but it's good to grab onto. Okay, so we'll leave you with some parting shots of how this looks in motion.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.